tech companies have a habit of maintaining their timeline, making the launch of their feature products predictable. If same goes for GoPro, then GoPro Hero action cams may come out in September of 2020, as they have released the Hero 7 on September 2018 and the Hero 8 on October 2019. People are already discussing over what they want the Hero 9 to feature. Since there aren't a lot of rumors available for the Hero 9 action cameras, we thought we should let you know what our expectation is from the Hero 9 series. Hey everyone, I'm Chaser and you're watching Tech Square. If you're watching this video from your home in self-isolation, then don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for our next video. The design of the current generation of GoPro Hero action cam have been the same since the Hero 5 series. There have been minor changes in shape and size, so a complete design overhaul seems long overdue, and fans are hoping that Hero 9 series would adorn a new form factor that would add a lot of functionality along with the upgraded spec. Although last year's Hero 8 Black may look identical to its predecessor, but on close inspection you may notice it had brought several design changes that made the device more functional. So a complete design overhaul may not come to fruition after all. Nonetheless, GoPro should at least bring some improvements to the touchscreen. An edge-to-edge display will surely make the device look sleek. The GoPro Hero 8 Black already offers industry-leading spec that no other action camera has right now. But the specs between Hero 7 and Hero 8 were mostly unchanged. Although the latter was released with next generation GoPro features like the Hyper Smooth 2.0 and Time Warp 2.0, except for Insta360 One R, there are no other action camera that can match the quality. But the Insta360 One R isn't your regular action cam, so there is no one actually. And GoPro needs to break its own standard set by the Hero 7 Black and bring updated hardware that would make more sense to the action cam lovers to ditch their previous generation and upgrade. The Insta360 One R is a modular 360 camera that has a 1-inch module that can record at 5.3K resolution at 30 FPS. With other feature improvements, that modular camera is capable of shooting videos and capturing pictures with incredible sharpness while retaining details. Dynamic range of this device is also great, so is its contrast. In short, this modular camera will make GoPro run for their money if GoPro can't outmatch these specs and the features. Updates to the frame rates and resolution is overly due, and we expect GoPro to improve the resolution by a significant margin. The disappearance of the old bulky waterproof housing was a great move. Although that reduced the water resistance depth from 30m to 10m, this was no real issue for the majority of the users. Now that the cage has gone completely with the Hero 8, GoPro could take this newfound freedom a step further by adding an optional base plate with different fixing types. For example, a standard 1/4-inch thread would be a welcome addition for many users, enabling flash mounting to a new wave of accessories or simply direct mounting for any number of uses. Taking this route would also enable the connection of a standard GoPro mount for backward compatibility. Since we have already seen that it is possible to make a functioning camera to be modular while having a very compact form factor, we can expect GoPro to follow that trend as well. The advantage of a modular camera is that you have the freedom to use different types of cameras in different situations without needing to carry multiple cameras. Now the GoPro Hero 9 may not go this way, as it would mean a complete reimagination of the model, which is very unlikely. Instead, there is a few optical lens options to be used in different scenarios. This would also open up endless possibilities for effects lenses, filters, and engage a new market for creative filmmakers without impacting on the original customer base. So changes like this are most welcome, and it would also make it profitable for GoPro as well. So that's the end of our video for now. As I have said, there isn't much information available for the upcoming GoPro Hero 9. I have only mentioned some of my expectations from the top of my head. If you like this